Well, hello. Well, I got a little unboxing for you today. As I watched a couple of gnats go by me the other day, I went, because I just got rid of thrips and fungus gnats. It doesn't mean that they didn't lay little eggs in the soil. So I have my own solutions for that. But here is another solution here, and I just want to talk about this one here. So let me get it opened up here. Now, I obviously have a lot of plant lights in the background. Sorry about that, as well as fan noise. But I gotta do this when I can do it. And these are little sticky traps. The big boys I watch and the big boys I go to and see what they're doing in their gardens, believe me, they have these. And I was happy to get them. Oh, how cute, I got a little shovel. I'm sure that's to help me stick these in there somehow in case I had really hard soil, which would be a big problem for me, because if I had hard soil, my plants would reflect that. So the thing about these is that the yellow is attractive to these gnats and mites and everything else fly around. And they give us instructions. Okay, I don't see a reason why. Well, I don't see a reason why I have these, for one thing. It doesn't tell me. I'll figure it out probably as I go. It doesn't tell me that. And the little shovel, well, that's in case your soil is hard, so you can make yourself a little trowel there to stick these in, because this is the part that has to go down into your soil. And this is the part that we're going to peel off that they get stuck to. And I just wanted to bring one of my plants in here to show you how to do that. This one I haven't had any trouble with recently. Ooh, I'm happy I'm getting a new bloom. Okay. Well, if you're wondering how ugly this might be, believe me, the damage that these mites and stuff cause is uglier than anything you could possibly put in here. And if you're still carrying around the little tags that came with your plant, you are the best. Well, you know, it's not going to kill you to have one more thing in there. So let's go ahead and, well, I got to work this stuff into the soil I've already put in there to help my soil out. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen it up. And these might be for just your really hard to reach places, but we're going to try and place these the way they came. There's all kinds of different manufacturers for these. I'm going to leave the link to the ones I got in the description below. And I'm going to be happier to stick this in my soil first, because I never know. And I'm so glad I did that, because there we go. It would have been harder to try to do this with the sticky thing in the way. So here we go. Let's peel this off. What's going to happen here is anything flying around the soil. Can you see that? Oh boy. Well, let's get my little special tag out the way that I like so much. Can you see that back there? You know, it's really not that much of an eyesore, and compared to what it's going to do for you, it's worth it. They're attracted to the yellow, and they will stick to the yellow. I've been using sticky traps for mice for mine, and this one here, and I'll be able to see it more clearly what is stuck to it. So I got quite a few, because I got quite a few plants here, and you could barely even see that that's there. Can you see it when I'm not talking about it? Well, you can barely see it. Anyway, let me put my little special tag back in mine, because it always reminds me. It was actually for Mother's Day. It's funny it doesn't say that. Alright. So you can barely even see it's there. And it will help in the long run. And I got, how many came in this one? Yep, I got 54. Well, I got a couple hundred plants. So I'll be able to take care of 54 of my plants, and maybe my little insertion will go easier as I go through. I still don't know what these are for, but I'll figure it out, I'm sure. But that's actually all I had for you today. What does it say about the company? The Stingmon trap. But I will put the link in the description below. That's all I had. You guys have yourselves a lovely day, and hopefully I will have a lovely day and have less fungus, gnats, and thrips and everything else in my garden. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.